Okay, so this is Dad's flight. And maybe today I might get to fly, I don't know. But yeah, we're at the same field. We have liftoff, rotation. Positive climb light, gear up. Man, you're doing a nice job.
It's really windy.
It's windy? Oh man. Are you coming in for a landing?
Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm filming, but I was wondering because
Dude, I'm turning it left. It's not going left at all.
maybe we should bring it down and then check.
It's really too windy.
Okay, I should bring that thing down. Man, we're trying to turn left and it isn't turning left.
Yeah,
And
it's a little. It's just.
you probably have a problem with the trim.
Maybe.
Man, you could barely see the thing on video. Are you bringing it down?
No, I'm just kind of going around. I think it's too windy for you to try to do.
Okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. We'll try tomorrow.
Lost a lot of altitude there. Wow, the wind is really.
Don't hit into a house, Dad.
I'm not.
And that is why you need the insurance.
I'm turning completely left and it won't even go left.
Yeah, you need to get that checked out.
I'm gonna bring it back.
Okay.
Can't see.
Yeah, just lower it down. Lower. Yeah, it's coming this way. Lower altitude, lower it down. Lower speed. Okay, yeah. Lower it.
Oh, okay. That wind is really taking it. I'll turn right when that wind's like that.
Oh, you think it's the wind that's causing that?
Yeah. Keep turning right.
Dad?
Trying to bring it up.
Yeah, increase speed, altitude. You'll be able to bring it up. Yeah.
It's too windy today.
Yeah, I can agree. It's coming towards us, by the way, for
Yeah,
you.
I'm trying to bring it back. So off to the side. Bring it down. Yep. That was bad.